Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Google Drive link public. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I have Google Drive on my iPhone. You can do the same thing on Android or a computer. I recommend downloading the Google Drive app. And you can do this with files, images, PDFs, videos, anything you want. So I have this image here that I'm going to use as an example. I'm going to tap the three dots to the right of it, and now I want to tap on Manage Access. And you can see that it's currently set to Restricted, and I want to tap on that, and then tap on it again, and switch it over to anyone with this link. Now, anyone with this link will be able to view and download it, and I can tap where it says Viewer right there, and it will give me a couple different options, either to change it to Commenter, or to editor if I want them to be able to edit this as well. I'm just going to change it to viewer and leave it on that, and I will tap on that link at the very top right here. Now it has copied that link, and this is now a public link that I can share with anyone, anywhere, and they'll be able to access that file. So then I can open up, say, Safari here, and I can just paste it in here. And you'll see that it will open up that image or whatever that file is, and it'll be publicly available to anyone with this link. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.